I will deal with the person who locked the Biafra shop in Mbuka Obosi, Simon Ekpa. My people, welcome back to Barabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow us, and also hurry to our YouTube channel and also subscribe over there. In this channel, we say things the way it is and the way we see it, so we don't put our own. Simon Ekpa have taken to his Twitter page and said that whosoever that locked the shop of Biafras must pay dearly for that. We are going to read that, waiting Simon Ekpa talk, and also keep on for your scheme here. May you read them by yourself as well. Simon Ekpa who also go that he say that any person will go lock the shop of people in Mbuka Obosi, that person he don't enter for wahala. Oh, Simon Ekpa will be the prime minister of Biafra Republic in exile. He saying go deal with those people will go lock the shop. May we read them before we go play you the video. May you watch for your own crocodile eyes. That the person who locked this market must be taught a lesson that you can infringe the right of Biafras in Biafra land anymore. We need his details and everything about him. Simon Ekpa have taken to Twitter page. He say, that person will go lock that market for Mbuka. Say he go give the person back to back and WOTO-WOTO. So my people, we go play the video for you. May una hear everything where the cameraman talk, and after that we will come back on and analyze the video more better. May you watch the video.
Okay, here about Mbuka Old Motor Spare Parts, Mbuka Obosi. Tata bụ ụbọchị ndị Mbuka na-enwe ekpere bụ Fridays, mana anyị batara ka anyị baa ebe anyị na-ekpe ekpere. Ọ bụrụ na ndị security blọkụrụ gate anyị sị na ya ama mkpe ekpere, na anyị ga-abịaba na Monday ka enwee ike kwụsị sit at home. Then na-emekwa ka ụwa malụ na the order bụ from ọnwa nke bụ asmata president ya nwa kpọrọ ma ndị vigilante data na Mbuka si na a ga-akwụsịzi ekpere na mmadụ ekpezikwana. A blọkụrụ gate entrance anyị ji aba n'ime afịa, si na ya enwe na ọ bụrụ na ị na-anya ị ga-afụ otu ndị mmadụ si wụsara na gate. Ndị sekuriti bụ egbe ekwere ka ndị mmadụ baa ime ahịa. Ndị nne m na-abịara imechi ekpere Mbuka. So ya anyị na-enwekwa ya ka ụwa nụrụ onu anyị ma fụkwa ihe a na-eme ma ọ kwesịrị ekwesị. As Christians, amara m ihe bụ plan ha, mana ihe mma bụ na onye ọbụla paratu newe otu o si dị n'ime Mbuka Obosi taa. Thank you.
Welcome back. As you have watched this short video, you can hear everything direct from them. So that is why we like to bring videos to show proof of what we are saying. So you see, the people go to Mbuka market. They usually do their prayers today, and the security men refuse them from entering in name of using the opportunity to make them be doing the prayers on Monday, so that they can be able to boycott sit at home order by PM Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, order he gave about the sit at home. And he also gave out this order, stated that is giving the order based on the immediate release of Nnamdi Kanu, which the US and the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu have come outside and said that Nnamdi Kanu said that the order is not be given for him, that he don't want to sit at home. So guys, you people have seen all this is going on social media all this while. So there is the latest updates, a latest news that we got now. He said that stop linking us to Ekpa, IPOB beg medias. They said the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, have begged all social medias not to be linking them with Simon Ekpa. Say Simon Ekpa, self-proclaimed Prime Minister, Biafra Republic in exile, that they are not part of what Simon Ekpa is doing. So the question I'm asking here is, who is IPOB? And I think that IPOB autopilot, IPOB duos. So guys, I want you to contribute about this. I want you to leave a comment and tell us what you think in this update that we are putting out here. We're going to put the pictures for you to read more details for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.